feels when we grind. Yeah. Our connections. Yeah. We got it going on, got it going on. You know it, you know it.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm going to review OMG Her Hair. So there's a lot of the reviews has been pretty positive, so I wanted to give a non-promotional review. I bought the hair full price. I wanted to give an honest initial review on this hair. So let's get right on to the video. The hair came in this DHL packet. It came in this box that says OMG Her Hair, and it's like it came all the way from China, and this box is pretty solid. I usually get broken boxes, but this box is pretty dang solid. So the hair comes in a bag like this. It comes with Tony and Guy. It comes with 2 clips like that. You can see. It comes with an elastic band and 2 wig caps and brown. OMG Hair promotional card. It has hair care instructions and maintaining curly or wavy extensions, which I do not have. Now I got the pretty popular one. It is the Kinky straight hair 20-inch, and it's the natural color and 180 density. They have it on the bag. It says if you get 180 density, it's gonna add plus 5 days before it ships. But when I had bought the hair, I think it was like Friday or Saturday night, it just shipped. They sent me an email telling me to confirm my card, my address, everything. I said, yeah, everything is correct. And then they sent it like immediately. So I guess they just had one in stock extra, but normally it would take 5 extra days. But it took about 3 or 4 business days to get here. They do give you a tracking number. Pulling out the hair. And it is a 360 lace frontal, the first one I've ever had. It smells like beauty supply store hair. It's not like it doesn't smell like anything. It's not bad, but it literally smells like the Remy hair from the beauty supply store. So this, man. This is the hair. Can you see that? Now I did have somebody tell me that the hair sheds, like a lot. Yeah, it's not shedding. I got like 1 strand, but I understand because my nails, they're like loose at the ends and the hair is getting caught in between the acrylic and my nail, if you get what I'm trying to say, and then it just tugs on it. So, no tangles. I really hope there isn't. I just opened it. It is like a lot more textury in the back here. And then at the front, it's not so textured, it's more straight. So I don't know, but okay. Time for the inside, the cap construction. But there is a comb in the back, 2 combs in like the front, I guess, and adjustable straps. I will most likely cut that out. The hairline is like pre-plucked almost, and there is baby hairs. They're really long, but you know, it's good so you can like customize it. But I remember when I used to buy like lace frontals, and it would come thick, like it was like a line of thick hair. Oh yeah, and the lace, I put medium brown. It's a lot lighter than I expected, but I should, dark brown was like extra time, so I don't know what to do. I did look at the hair care bleaching rules on the website, and it said that their Indian hair, you shouldn't or you can't dye. Well, of course you can, but they say you shouldn't dye it or like bleach it. And I checked on their website, and this is one of the Indian hair units. So I'm scared to bleach the knots, but I really kind of have to. So maybe I'll just do it a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my ruler so we can check if this is true to length. Make sure to measure like the back of the hair. Yeah, I guess it's 20 inches. Okay, so this is the hair. I know, it looks ridiculous. And it can come forward. I did adjust the straps like to the tightest setting because it is really big on me, so apparently I have a small head. The hair is thick. No, like, it is. Nobody can tell me this hair is thin. Look. Tell me this hair is thin. No one can tell me. Nobody. I'm gonna stand up so you can see how long it goes on my back. I am 5'3.5", I think. 5'4". Hope you guys can see it. It comes like right over my backside. So this hair, like I said, the front is like, you don't even, okay, that's a lot of baby hair right there. That's okay. Front is thick. They do have a little notch for your ear. I never had a 360, so I'm not sure if that's normal, but it's helpful. So you don't have to like cut it so much. Let me show you how much parting space it has. It goes right there. You can see it. Right there, and then it stops here. Which I don't really like full lace wigs. I probably will get one day, but I don't necessarily like them because they tend to come like thinner. And I know thinner hair, like that's as much hair as like a normal head would have in real life. But I just like that thick, really thick hair look. Time to slay this wig.